Hi guys, today we are giving the Sport Glide a new fresh look with these 44 liters hard saddlebags from Viking Bags. Let's unbox them and check them out. They looks great, the paint finish is clean and really solid. Match with the Harley style. Alright, let's get these installed and see how they look on the bike. Everything comes nicely packed, and Viking bags include all the mounting hardwares you need for the installation. And here is the finished look. One feature I really like is the locking system with matching keys. With 44 liters of storage, there is plenty of room for your riding gears, tools, or whatever you need for longer rides and weekend trips. Big thanks to Viking Bag for sending this over. Let's go for a ride.